This is gonna be an update on my video. The DIY electric skateboard with Boardnamic parts. Yeah. So you guys knew I've been working on this board for like a year or so. And I got the board from the post office. You see my first one. They gave me a deck and stuff and refurbished it. But anyways, this is my enclosure for the battery pack I made. Pretty solid. Came out looking okay. No complaints. And this is going to be able to hold 12S 6P 21700 cells. It's going to be like massive battery pack. And then this is the board. Still needs some working on it. You know how it is when you guys are working on a DIY board. Always working on the loose ends. Okay. So this is how it looks. I got the cloud wheels, the 120s. I got the black carbon fiber. And then, hold on. Let's see a little sketchy. Alright. I probably should have done that. I should cut that out. So these are the Boardnamic parts. I have the adjustable base plate that you pull out this pin right here. And this whole thing right here shifts, goes up and down. So, and then I have these motors inside, and they are geared. Put gears on them. So, pretty stoked about that. And then my enclosure. Yeah. Whoa. It's a real tight fit. There you go. So I'm going to have it like this. So the battery case is going to look like that. The motor is going to be tucked in. Gears are going to be covered. Yeah. I'm really impressed with the setup. I like it because it gives you some style. Yeah. So if you got like 6384s or 80s, this would be a good setup. You're going to need these trucks. The 218 are not long enough. So I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna sell the house. I'm gonna start working on the battery pack and give you guys an update in about a couple of weeks. Nah, probably a few days. And to be honest, I'm gonna probably be using the Fox box. My first impression of the Fox box, not impressed the way it looks. Looks a little cheap. I know everyone says there's no support, but you know what? I went on Inboard's website and I got a good deal, and they gave me a 120-day warranty by manufacturer. So hopefully I'm gonna try to wreck it, and then if I wreck it, get a replacement, and if it doesn't wreck, it's good stuff. I'm out.